This is a cannoli donut.
Cannoli donut?
Yep.
Holy cannoli, Grant. That's
exactly.
a good idea.
Holy cannoli. So in here I have some, a whole container of ricotta. I added some powdered sugar to it to sweeten it up a little bit of cinnamon, some salt, and then we're going to add in a little bit of miniature chocolate chips.
Baby chocolate chips.
And you just mix that up.
They're so cute
and
and cheerful.
That's so simple. This is why I love cannolis, because this is so easy to make.
Right.
Then you pop it into a piping bag. So you just pipe it right on top of there. Look how easy that is. Sprinkle it with some more chocolate chips.
What?
We pop the lid on top, give it a little dust of powdered sugar.
I am making donut churros in the waffle iron.
Donut churros,
and it's the perfect,
everyone.
It's the absolute perfect use up. I don't know about your family, but when you bring home a dozen donuts, we always have the plain ones left over because who wants the plain donuts? No one wants the plain donuts. You want the ones with the sprinkles on them and the glazes on them. And I'm just gonna pop in 4 pieces, close it up. 45 seconds later, you've got these lovely little churro crisps, if you will, churro donut crisps. Press them into some cinnamon sugar with a little bit of salt and serve them with, that is a hot cocoa dipper with a little bit of cayenne and orange zest in it. So it's a spicy orange chocolate dipping sauce.
All right, so I'm going to be making a donut ice cream sandwich.
What?
So, I know, right? So basically I'm gonna I love just a classic ice cream sundae with vanilla ice cream, hot fudge, and peanuts. So I'm gonna take a chocolate cake donut that's glazed, pop a scoop of that ice cream right on top, grab some hot fudge. You can get store-bought or homemade or whatever you have. Drizzle that over the top, pop your lid on it, and then you roll the sides of it in some peanuts.
And then you roll it in nuts.
Yep. And then you just pop that into the freezer. I have some back here that are done. And check these guys out. And you can just leave them in the wax paper and have them in the fridge for whenever you need a snack.
Oh my God, look at
yummy?
that.
So here are donut French toast. So
Wow.
also another great use up for the old plain donuts that my family at least have. So here I've just got 3 eggs. I'm gonna whisk in a splash of milk. Just, and you can make any of your favorite French toast base. I like lots of cinnamon in mine. And then a little drop of vanilla. Whisk that up, just a little pinch of salt in there. And then I just have my stale donuts. The stale donuts cut very,
And
very
you can
nicely.
buy the stale donuts in the market like super cheap. They practically give them
Totally.
away.
We were just saying that, like cart in the back where they have
Right.
all the stale, day-old stuff. It's like 50 cents for a dozen donuts. So give those a nice little dunk. And then you're just gonna cook it the way you cook French toast, just in a little bit of butter. These guys are probably ready to flip.
Oh, lovely. Good timing.
And then
we've got some
And then we've got
Dunnies.
some done here. So you can make these in advance like you do French toast. Just keep them on a nice little sheet tray, pop them
Beautiful.
in a low oven. And then in my family, we go a little bit of powdered sugar. Oh, there we go.
Or a lot
of powdered sugar. I don't know how to repeat